Yo guys, what's up? Yeah, on to the video. Let's talk about the free compressor for Softube. It's gonna be free until the end of March. So let's go to Pro Tools, okay? Alright, so we are here in front of the Pro Tools session, same band from the 2 videos ago, nice hand, okay, it's gonna be the same sound. Let's see the compressor, because I downloaded this like a couple weeks ago. Yeah, when I saw this on my email, they have this free compressor in me. The thing is, Softube is a pretty cool brand. Okay, this is for a new lineup of compressors. So they have a 1 LA2A style. They have the 1 FET, which is like a 1176 style compressor. This is a VCA compressor, and then this is like the same as my TK Audio, like a SSL G compressor. And no, actually no. Wait a second. Below. Oh no, this is a 160. This is a DBS 160 style compressor. Because I didn't. So I remember when Softube released this compressor, I just saw, okay, cool. It's a 1176. It's a LA20. Also, it's a G compressor SSL style. Cool, awesome. Yeah, another, clones. Plugin clones. So I didn't put too much attention, and then I had the email for download this for free. And download, and also I was working a lot, training a lot. I know for the people who doesn't know, I train Muay Thai very often, between the 5 or 6 days, 6 days per week. I mean, sorry, that Spanish is coming to my mind right now. So, but yeah, and I didn't pay attention, so I downloaded and I looked for a little bit, but no, wait a second, no, this is a 160. I mean, this is a DBS 160 style compressor, but now I have, because on the DBX also in an analog version, you don't have attack and release. The attack and release is automatic, depending on what kind of source you put. But you have the over easy, which is the knee, and here I don't have that. I don't have the knee. Probably in this case the knee is in automatic. I have no idea. But now we have attack and release. We have the radio. Okay, so we have the compression, the radio. Okay, we have the output. So these 3 knobs are the same as the original version. But now we have attack and release, high filter makeup. Okay. Stereo dual mono. Oh, this is like the API, the 2500. So it can be independent or on link. The stereo punch. Okay. Filter. Now I like this external filter. This is like, for example, if you want to sidechain the kick with the bass, you can do that here. Output drive. Okay, so this is for more drive, more color. Cool. And dry and wet. Awesome. And okay, let's see how it sounds. Let's put this on drums. Okay, and then later I will put my Universal Audio 160 plugin, and let's see how it sounds. Okay, so let's see this. All right, solo drums, bypass this, just in case. This is the Fusion and my analog, master bass processing is in mute right now. Okay, I mean bypass. Okay, that's it. Cool. So this is the input. This is okay. Input gain reduction. Cool. Let's see. Radio 4. That's fine. Let's see. Where I am. Cool. Pretty much right there. Yes. Let's see. punchy. Okay, attack. Now I can use attack and the release for this guy. Let's see. Slow attack, fast release. Ooh, more transients. Okay, okay. Let's hear. I want to make like a the gain, you know, match it up with the. Yeah, that's cool. Now let's see this filter. 80, close to 80. Bypass. Nice. High filter makeup. Oh, okay, I see what, okay. Let me stop this, okay? I don't know if you notice, so when I press the high frequency makeup, it's like I start to get more of the highs, you know, because I don't know if you notice, compressor in a natural way make the source you compress a little darker. So if you don't want a dark kind of sound, you can bring the high frequencies. Interesting. Okay. Okay. Let's see these rounds one more time, okay? Okay, check it out this. On. Okay, that's a cool option. Let's put it on. So, stereo link. That's linking, so that's mean like we compressing the both sides, the information is stereo even. Let's see an even. Let me listen in my control room. What the hell is going on? Okay. Really, I can't listen any difference. I don't want to lie you. Okay, but okay, cool. Is there? Maybe it works, maybe not. I'm not here. Punch. Let's see. Oh, okay. Pay attention to the kick. Cool. Okay. Output drive. Let's see. Let's put oh. Oh. Okay. You see the VU mirrors start to get red, but on drums I don't feel any difference. Okay, but it's there. And this is for do like a parallel compression, no compression, all compressed. Cool. Bypass. That's not compressed. Cool. So this, not bad. Sounds cool. But let's see how it sounds with. No, I mean, no with the real one because it's gonna be not fair because this is drum stereo, so I have just one 568 and I also have 160X, so I need double to make this real comparison between these guys. So no, but let's put a universal audio, okay? So just give me 1 second. Let's see this. We have now the 160X based on the real one. This is 160X on steroids. But let's see how it sounds. because sometimes not because you have more options, you're gonna sound better. Sometimes that happens, sometimes not. Let's see. Okay, so let me bypass this guy and let me see how much I do the gain reduction to match it up. Okay, so we are reducing a max 7. It's gonna be around here. Okay, so let's match up that and bypass. And because I don't have all these options, just focus on the main knobs, which is my threshold, compression gonna be the same, and my output gain. Okay, so let's see here. Let's see the compression. No, the other side. Much less varies. Let's match it up the gain output. Okay. A little bit more. All right. 160. Universal audio. Bypass. It sounds different. Bypass up to universal audio. No, the 160 universal audio is way more punchy. Even with my, let's see, we put this off and off, okay? Let's see. Bypass. Is me or without this sounds way more punchy now? Huh. But the 160 have a particular sound. Let me stop this. You know what? I like the filter. Yeah, that's very useful. The dry wet, useful too. The stereo link, the punch, and the high frequency makeup. To me, right now, without those options in, sounds way more closer to the 160X. But because when I talk about the DBX 160X video, it's one of my first videos, so you need to go way down, so you need to go deeply in my channel if you want to know that. In that video, when I explain why the VCA compressors in general, because the topology is very popular, is because it's a clean compressor, and then you can compress anything: drum, bass, vocals, the master bass. That's the reason the SSL G compressor style are so popular, and very companies make their own clones like the one I have here. That's the reason. But the 160 have a particular sound. That's the reason, because it doesn't sound too greedy, too distorted, but have a particular punch. And I have the same results with analog versions too. But on this one, I don't feel that. But because I have these options, maybe this option can work better on the master bass. Because this guy on the master bass, that's not their job. That's for a G compressor style, yes. DBS 160 on master bass, I don't think so. Okay, so let me bypass this guy. Okay, I want to keep this guy here for drums, and let's go to the master bass. Okay. Okay, I compressed it too much. Let's put, yeah, let's keep the phone. Whoa, what the hell's going on? Okay, okay. I want to, not too much reduction here. You know what, maybe 3. Okay. Put this 150. Let's see, how many? Yeah, 150. Let's do the same such in figure as my TKO. 150. I don't want to touch that 150. Okay, cool. Bypass. Okay. Attack, fast release. Okay. I want to just to compress just bits for a master. Okay. Listen, now the output drive. Okay. Let's wait for the music coming up. Yeah, now I can feel that distortion. Toasty, no toasty. Okay, I got it. Good. Oh. Además ahora sí way more nasty. Let's see and link it. I can feel it and link it now. Let's see the punch. I compressed just a little bit, Okay, let me stop this. Cool. This compressor for the master bus is tricky. I've you saw like a few minutes ago. It's tricky. Do I recommend this for a master bus? It's up to you. Will you see me on the master bus? Hell no. But now on the master bus I can listen what are the makeup, the high frequency makeup and the output drive sound way better than the drums. Probably these two will be sound better for bass, okay? But for make the video even shorter, we don't have to go to the bass, so you can do this on your own because remember this is free, so you can see you can find the link on my description box. Okay, remember this is only free until the end of March. Okay, the punch on the master bus, no. It's a good compressor, yes. will sound good on everything. No, will sound good on some, for a different kind of music, yeah, but for death metal, I don't think so. So I mean, works, but you have to play here or there and see which is the best. Okay, I'm talking about for drum bass on metal. Okay, but yeah, so there is Softube, great brand, by the way. I don't have any complaints with this brand. It's all the products are super cool, very top notch, cool compressor. Um, also free. Why not? And that's all I got. I mean, and that's all. Bye, guys.